This is the hope for tomorrow that we all needed.
This project that we're celebrating today and breaking ground for brings together the strengths of this community.
The community that has come together understands the potential in our students.
This new building brings to light the dedication of AbbVie to North Chicago and the strength of our public and private partnerships.
$40 million to a school. I mean, how many other corporate businesses you see help the community in that respect?
My heart is right here in the community, and it swells with pride to see what we're about to accomplish on this site.
This is a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It is a great chance we have been given.
North Chicago will have the newest, the nicest, the best middle school in Lake County.
The new Neal will really show the students and their parents in the community that we do care.
It's going to give us new advantages to the schools. It's going to give us better education.
The new Neal school will really help students like me turn our dreams into reality.
And it will prepare generations to come.
I mean, it's going to be special.
And as you see the new school rise up, you will see your possibilities rise with it as well. To all of our students, they can and they will achieve great things.